In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save chat as PDF on Claude AI. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable PDF of any conversation, perfect for sending to teammates, saving research, or archiving your work. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. We're going to use a small helper tool that makes exporting effortless. Search for a Claude Exporter extension and install it from your browser's official extension store. Before you add it, take a second to review the publisher, ratings, and requested permissions so you know exactly what it can access. Once it's installed, you're ready to grab your conversation. Now, in the Google search bar, type Claude AI, then click the official Claude AI website. When the page loads, look for the sidebar. If it's hidden, open it so you can see your list of conversations. This sidebar is where all your recent chats live, and it makes it easy to pick the one you want. Select the conversation you want to export. Choose the specific thread that contains the messages you'd like to save. The export will capture what's on that conversation page, so make sure it's the right one. Next, open the exporter extension. You'll typically see its button near the bottom of the page or in your browser's extensions area. Click it to bring up the export panel. Inside the panel, choose the Answers option. This focuses the export on the assistant's responses, which is ideal if you want a concise summary of the insights without all the back and forth. If you prefer a different scope, you can adjust that in the same panel. But Answers is a great default for clean PDFs. With the scope set, click Export. When prompted for a format, select to PDF. PDF is universally readable and preserves layout, making it easy to share or print without formatting issues. Finally, click Generate or simply press Enter. The extension will compile the content and create your PDF. Give it a moment to process, especially if the conversation is long or includes images or code blocks. When it's done, your browser will download the file, typically to your Downloads folder. Open it to confirm everything looks good. Check the title, pagination, and any code formatting. If you plan to store it, rename the file to something descriptive so it's easy to find later. And, as a best practice, only export and share conversations that don't contain sensitive information. That's it. You've just turned a Claude AI chat into a polished PDF ready to share or archive.